Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to resolve the issue of YouTube videos not downloading. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app. For example, if I search for a song to download, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new videos. Now, let's click on this video. When I click the download button to save the video, you can see that it isn't downloading. To fix this issue, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down and select Downloads. Here, you'll see all the videos you've tried to download, but they haven't been saved. If you try to download a video, you'll notice it says, "This video is not downloaded yet." Now, if I attempt to download another video, you'll see that it's still not downloading and the issue remains. To resolve the problem, click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Settings. If your phone storage is full, enable the Use SD card option. If not, just turn off this option. Next, disable the Download over Wi-Fi only setting. After that, go back to the Download section. Now, if I click the Download button for a video, you'll see that the issue is resolved. To fix this problem completely, try downloading a different video that isn't pending. So I'll go ahead and download this one. Now everything is working fine and the videos are downloading properly. That's how you can fix the issue of YouTube videos not downloading. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like.